helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Moms Every Day. Joining me for this segment is Angela Bostic-Doyle. She's a nurse as well as the nursing director at the Lawrence County, Ohio Health Department, as well as Dee Hackworth. She is the director of contracted services at OVP Health. Excuse me, these masks make it not easy to say. It is so wonderful to have you ladies here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, joining us, are these two guests, and we're going to talk about a collaborative effort that you are both here for. The organizations have made to provide COVID-19 vaccines to people who live in Lawrence County. So first, Angela, tell us how Lawrence County is doing in terms of getting people vaccinated there. How are things going?
Things are going great. Currently, we have given over 16,000 vaccines to people in Lawrence County and the surrounding areas. We don't just focus on Lawrence County, but we do cover people who come from all over, including West Virginia and Kentucky. We are currently doing 16 and above. We had started that last week, and we are running clinics usually 3 times a week. So we are doing a very good job of getting those vaccines out to the public.
Wonderful. That's good to hear. Well, Dee, next question to you. OVP Health provides contracted emergency and hospital services to local hospitals and has a broad network of outpatient and inpatient addiction treatment services. So how and why did OVP Health get involved in joining up with the Lawrence County Health Department for this vaccination effort?
Sure. We, as you know, because of our relationships with the hospitals, we worked really hard during the pandemic. Our physicians, our providers worked long hours and worked over and came back in when we needed them to. And so I decided I wanted to be part of the solution. So I got on Ohio website and signed up to be a volunteer for my home county, Lawrence County. And Angela reached out to me and said, hey, you want to come over and give some COVID vaccines? And that's how it all started.
And you were like, yes, of course I do. I want to make where I live a healthier, safer place. Yep. Angela, has OVP Health's partnership with the Lawrence County Health Department made a difference in delivering vaccines quickly and efficiently to the people who live in your county?
Yes, it has. We get vaccines sent to us from the Ohio Department of Health every week, and sometimes we don't know when those vaccines will arrive, and I can reach out to them and ask for their assistance to partner with us to get those vaccines out. As well as, we partner with Lawrence County EMS, local schools, Collins, and Ohio University, as well as some retired nurses. And it's just made a great impact in getting those vaccines out. We wouldn't be able to do that without our partnerships in the community.
That's wonderful. It is a group effort, I know. And Dee, I know that OVP Health was founded a couple of years ago, 22 to be exact, by 2 physicians who started the company in an effort to get much needed services, emergency department services, at the struggling Lawrence County General Hospital in Ironton, which unfortunately closed later. But your company has a really long history of supporting the community. How important is community to OVP?
Sure. Well, as a matter of fact, it's part of our mission statement that we're going to build healthier communities. So we really empower our employees to volunteer in their communities, to be a part of anything going on in their communities. And that's kind of what happened with me, that I wanted to be a part of my community and make a difference. And I feel like the only way that we're going to turn this around with our pandemic is to volunteer and help get more vaccines in arms.
Angela, though Lawrence County is doing such a great job, like you talked about, with the vaccines, there's still a large percentage of people in our region who've decided they're just not going to get this vaccine. So if you had something to tell those people, what would you say?
I would say it is a personal choice. Do your research on making that decision. There's still time to get the vaccine. We are still doing clinics every week. We are holding another clinic this week, Thursday, at the South Point Board office from 9 to 4. Also, I just also want to say we are starting to see another rise and increase in the COVID cases in our area. Hospitalizations are starting to rise again. This battle is not over. We're not through it. It's not over. We need to keep our guard up. We need to continue to wear the mask, social distancing, sanitizing, and the vaccine is your best your best defense against this COVID that we have.
Well, Angela, Dee, thank you both for being here. Thank you for the work you're doing in this community, and we really appreciate all this information right here on Moms Every Day. So you'll have a great afternoon.
Thank you.